Hi everyone, Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Today I will be making a very simple eggplant curry with tomatoes. It requires very few basic ingredients, and if you make this you will realize how a simple curry can be so delicious. So let's get started. I have taken medium-sized eggplants, washed them and wiped them with a cloth. The reason why I wipe them is to minimize that excessive splattering of oil once they hit that hot oil. Cut the ends, then cut them lengthwise. Cut each of the halves again lengthwise and then cut across. You need fairly long pieces like this. Slice one medium onion, then slit 2 green chilies. Green chilies are optional. Then I have taken 2 medium tomatoes and sliced them as well. Remember not to slice them too thin. Next I have taken a bunch of coriander leaves. I will use both the stem and the leaves. The stems I will be adding while I cook the curry, and the leaves I will be adding at the very end. Do not throw away the stems of the coriander leaves, as they impart a lot of flavor to the curry. Heat a pan over medium-high heat. Add about 4 tablespoons of any oil of your choice. Once the oil turns hot, add about 1/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder and immediately add the eggplants. Stir them on medium to high heat. Add about half a teaspoon of salt. Stir till the eggplant develops a slightly brown color. This will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Then take them out in a bowl. The eggplants are not cooked yet and are still quite firm, but you want that brown color to develop the flavor. Next, take 4 tablespoons of oil in that same pan on medium heat, and once the oil turns hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and just 1/4 of a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds gives a nice flavor to the curry, but do not worry if you do not have it in your pantry. Stir the seeds and let them sizzle for a few seconds in the oil. Then add the sliced onion. Add a pinch of salt. The salt draws out the moisture from those onions so they soften up faster. Stir till the onions turn a bit pale and soft. Then add turmeric powder and Kashmiri red chili powder. You can even add paprika instead of Kashmiri red chili powder. Stir the spices with the onions for a few seconds, then add the green chilies. Add the stems of coriander leaves. Then add the fried eggplant, the tomatoes, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything on medium to high heat. Then level out everything with your spoon and cover it on low heat for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, uncover. The eggplant is still quite firm and needs more time to get cooked. Add about a teaspoon of sugar, then cover it again on low heat. From time to time uncover and see whether the eggplant has turned tender. Now it is very hard to specify exactly the time when the eggplants will turn tender, as it depends on the variety of your eggplants. For me, it took about 10 minutes for the eggplants to turn soft. Do not wait till they turn mushy and falling apart. They must be tender and at the same time hold their shape. Now increase the heat to get rid of that excess liquid. Then add a teaspoon of cumin powder, the coriander leaves, stir, then switch off the heat and let it sit covered off heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. Serve this tomato eggplant curry with rice or roti. Please try this recipe and send me your feedback in the comment section. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.